Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious pork yak stir-fry. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Take about 1 pound of lean pork, like loin or chops, and cut it into bite-sized 1-inch pieces. Next, season these pieces with a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Finally, coat the pork evenly with a mixture of 1 beaten egg and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, ensuring each piece is well covered. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan over medium-high heat until it's shimmering. Carefully add your coated pork pieces and sear them for approximately 5 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are beautifully golden brown and fully cooked. Then, toss in 1 diced onion and 1 sliced green pepper, stir-frying for another 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. The sauce is key to our pork yak's amazing flavor. In a separate bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Whisk these together until well blended. Then, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and a half cup of water, mixing until smooth. Pour this flavorful sauce into your pan with the cooked pork and vegetables, stirring continuously until it thickens nicely. For the grand finale, let's bring everything together. Add 8 ounces of your favorite cooked Chinese noodles or spaghetti directly into the pan with the pork, vegetables, and sauce, tossing gently to ensure everything is coated evenly. For an extra burst of flavor, stir in 1 cup of pineapple chunks. Serve your delicious pork yak hot, perhaps garnished with some fresh scallions for a vibrant finish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.